The power of true connection. Imagine you had no family, no friends, and no one to talk to. How would that feel? I believe no one is meant to live in complete isolation. However, in reality, many people experience fake friendship, relationship built on personal gain rather than genuine love. It's important to recognize those who wear smiling masks but hide selfish intention. Yet, let's not lose hope. There are still many good-hearted people who live with true love for others, those who are kind, selfless, and always ready to help. I say this because I have experienced the brotherhood and sisterhood that goes beyond blood relation. And here, something deeper to reflect on. Have you ever wondered about the origin of life? You came from your parents from their parents, and their parents from their ancestor. If we trace it far enough, we realize we all come from the same source. This means we are not just separate individuals. We are one big human family.
Where are you now?
Father Moon, the founder of UPF and FFWPU, shared these profound truths. He said, "We must never forget that we are brothers and sisters in a huge human family. At any level of community, we must become like a family." He said more, "You need your brothers and sisters in order to become an owner of love without shame." Last but not least, he said, "There is only one God, and all human beings are brothers and sisters." Father Moon did not just speak about unity, he lived it. He envisioned a world where differences are not just tolerated, but celebrated. Living as brothers and sisters isn't just an ideal, it's a necessity for our survival and happiness. So, let's take action. Let's build bridges, uplift one another, and create a world where love and unity thrive. One family under God. We live with true love. We need human connection. We are brothers and sisters. We are living for others.